It's a unique term, and it's one that I relate to, and I hope that the vision actually catches on. Because we need more treatments, more options, and especially in the rare disease space where we didn't have options before. So for us to be able to have genetic agency and have options when it comes to our treatments, that's the vision for the future for me.
What's the ideal future that you imagine with genetic agency?
My mom was told when she took me to the ER at 3 months that I may only live to see 7 years old because I had sickle cell disease. So my vision is that new parents that have children with rare diseases could hear your child has a rare disease, whatever that may be, but here are your options for treatment.
And what do you think that researchers, clinicians, what do you think they need to know about patient journey to help them help patients?
They need to know first that we're more than just patients, that we're people, and we have family that's relying on us. We're part of our communities. What they choose to do with our life has a trickle-down effect to affect others. As a patient, people just you can just be seen as a project. So you don't feel like you have any power or say when you're just a patient. But when you're a partner, you feel involved, and we're in this together. Because that's what's needed. I need to know that we're partnering. So if I say something isn't right or I have questions about this, I know you're gonna answer it or react to it because you see me as a partner and we're doing this together. So with researchers, patients are partners because without us, there can be no clinical trials, no FDA approvals. We are the bridge between your vision and approval. So without us, it's just a vision. Before I was restricted from exercise or exertion, and now I'm hiking mountains. So yeah, life is completely different. So I'm trying to do the best I can with the second chance that God has given me.
Can you tell us about that? What did it mean for you to climb a mountain where you might have been told before that that's not something you could do?
It meant so much. It was healing for my mind and my soul to face that after gene therapy because I was nervous about it.
What I'm hopeful for is that over time everyone will think about themselves as a person who has genetic agency. So it might be treating very serious diseases today because that's where there's the most unmet need, and that's where the problems are most important to focus on. But over time, maybe everyone's going to benefit from gene therapy once we make it safe enough, affordable enough, easy enough to get.
For conditions like diabetes, high cholesterol, all those things that a lot of people are affected by, cancer, to make everyone's journey the best that it can be.
It's amazing. What are you optimistic about the future?
It's going to be better. Gene therapy is going to be just part of a regimen. Like when the doctor can write a prescription for blood pressure medicine or whatever, gene therapy would be just that easy of an option. And it wouldn't be as a scary term. It would just be routine, part of the regimen. And people won't have the fear of thinking that they're going to die because of this issue in their DNA. Because I used to wonder, am I going to die with sickle cell disease? Is this my beginning and my end? And gene therapy changed it. So that's my vision for the future, that when patients hear, oh, you have this mutation, but here's the solution.
That'd be great if it was right there.
Right. that the solution is ready, and that we continue to evolve and work on new medicines, new treatments, and don't forget about the people who are still suffering.
Yeah, I love that vision. I would love to be a part of helping to make that possible, and that's really what has inspired us at Dyno and our team. We want to make the technologies that enable those therapies to come into existence, right? More therapies, faster, more options for patients.